K.C. Das, Director Personnel, C. V. Venugopal Rao, Director of Finance, C. Tina, Director of Operations, C. K. V. Vidyasagar, Executive Director, Works in Charge, General Secretary, Steel Executive Association, Steel Dr. Paramatra Chattananna, General Secretary, SC/ST Association, Steel B. Lallu, President, OBC Association, stated with great enthusiasm to make aware of each and everyone by exhibiting widespread safety awareness programs. In this connection, various specific safety activities like safety essay, safety debate, safety slogan, and safety poster competitions, first aid competitions were conducted for our employees, contract workers, housewives, and school children. A safety rally was organized in township with school children to create more awareness on safety. Housewives were also involved in safety competitions conducted in the township. On National Safety Day, that is on 4th March, flag hoisting was done by EDO's in charge, Sri K.V. Vidyasagar Garu. HODs, trade unions, leaders, union leaders, C representatives, and Central Safety Committee members participated in the event. Also group events like safety performance and housekeeping competitions were organized among the departments. With this brief, I once again welcome you all for the program. Thank you.
Now, I would like to request our chief guest, Sri P.K. Rath Garu, and guest of honor, Sri D.C.S. Verma Garu, to kindly light up the lamp, and I request all other dignitaries to kindly join them.
ఉక్కు కర్మాగారంలో మరియు పరిశ్రమల యందు కార్మికుల యొక్క యంత్ర సామాగ్రి యొక్క భద్రత మరియు వృత్తి సంబంధిత ఆరోగ్యము కొరకు చిత్తశుద్ధితో నా విధులను సక్రమముగా నిర్వర్తిస్తానని శపథం చేయుచున్నాను.
Safety Day. I hereby renew my pledge. Dedicate myself for the cause of safety and the health of all our employees. And to adhere to all safety rules so as not to endanger human life and to protect the plant.
Been eagerly waiting to hear you, sir. So without much delay, I would like to request Sri D.C.S. Verma Garu, Director of Factories, Government of Andhra Pradesh, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everybody. The dignitaries on the dais, Chairman and Managing Director of RINL, Rath, and his Board of Directors, the Executive Director, our Occupier under Factories Act, and the dignitaries of the dais. ఈ 50వ జాతీయ భద్రతా దినోత్సవ సభకు విచ్చేసిన మీ అందరికీ నా శుభాకాంక్షలు. I have been here as a guest of honor for the first time in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant in 2009. In 2008 I came here as joint chief those days, and probably this is the 13th National Safety Day celebration. I think but for one the other celebrations I am here. Maybe this is my 12th address or 11th address. I am not very sure, but maybe 12th. I think I have missed only 1 year. The biggest problem is now that I am at Vijayawada, not here. I am giving a commitment as a problem because if something comes in my way at that level at Vijayawada, I have to miss it and then it becomes a problem. So initially when the request came, I have rejected it because this is the time for elections, time for assembly, all that. I may not be in a position to stick to that, but for the intervention by our CMD Saab, probably I would not have been here. At the end of the day, this is the only function which I have accepted for this 50th National Safety Day. And earlier in 2009 when I spoke here and 2010 when I came and spoke once again, I just made one question. Subsequent year, వచ్చిన తర్వాత. Last year I spoke about 20-25 minutes here. How many of you remember what I spoken yesterday, last year? There was not even one hand actually raising at that moment.
I do remember.
Sorry. And Good, but today the surprise is I was given a shock that our team, working here in steel plant, they started me, telling me that last year where I have started, what are the examples I quoted, and then what I have spoken, they started telling. Now the risk is actually shifted, like insurance, my risk is shifted to insurance here. Now the risk is now shifted to me because whatever I speak, if you forget, I don't have to learn new things, I can repeat and it comes afresh to you because you have forgotten. But now that you don't forget, I have to speak something new. And after 11 years of speaking differently, the 12th year adding something new is a real challenge to me. I really do not know what exactly I have to speak now. But end of the day, let me try my humble attempt to see that I don't repeat what I have spoken earlier. That's what I'm trying to do now. But end of the day, of course, the subject remains same. See, after becoming the director of factories, I would say in the subject of safety, I have no value addition. Because I don't do safety job. I do all other jobs other than safety. Because it is actually the job of enforcement at the field level. At that level, as director of factory, it is predominantly administrative, predominantly thinking of new things and all those things. So I would personally feel that not much of value addition to me as a professional in safety after I have gone there to Vijayawada, to this position. So what is that I can really add? I just thought for a moment when I was coming to...
On the dais, Sri DCS Verma Sahib, Director of Factories, Government of Andhra Pradesh, colleague directors, Das Sahib, Director Personnel, Venugopal Rao Garu, Director Finance, Mahanti Sahib, Director Commercial, Ghosh Sahib, Director Projects, and Saxena Sahib, Director Operation, and ED Works Executive Director Vidyasagar Rao Garu in charge, and other senior officers present here, and Steel Executive Association, leaders from the different trade unions, SC/ST Association, OBC Association, WIPs, school children, teachers, officers, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all of you. An eloquent speaker like Mr. Verma, when he speaks after that, coming and giving a speech really becomes very troublesome and very difficult. It was a spellbound, it mesmerizes me. I always have spoken it on his face that I also saw that the entire audience, such a big audience, that got mesmerized by his eloquence. And the way he puts in the safety aspects logically, bit by bit, really goes into the bloodstream if you listen intently and listen carefully. There are two things today I learned actually while sitting there when Sanyal was pointing out that Einstein's quotation, that when writing the equation, the safety aspect was going into it, really it touched my heart also, it touched my mind also. Okay, a person who writes the equations and whatever the outcome will be, what kind of a safety disasters can happen, that really caused me put me into thinking process or thinking mode, because yes, there is a point in it. And Mr. Verma, when was pointing out the behavioral aspect of when he was talking about the three systems actually, he 3 points, 3 pillars I will say. One is technology, one is system, the third part is human. And the human part always I talk of, there's a behavioral part of it, which probably we lack in a lot in this plant. Let's not be so much, what do you call that, goody-goody about it. I will say that everything hanky-dory and all that, I should not say. But the behavioral aspect of that part of the human being or the workforce is the real point where we should concentrate upon. Then only we will come to the level of safety or some kind of a safety part where we'll be a bit proud of. I am very happy to be here and on this 50th day of our celebration, National Day Safety Celebration. And I am grateful, or I am really very thankful to the safety department, which has meticulously planned so many activities and designed such a beautiful program. And when the owners came on to me to call upon Mr. Verma, I spoke to him and I said, probably, Mr. Verma, I would like to listen to your probably the last speech in my career here. So probably he accepted that. So I am grateful to him today. The pandemic we talk about. We can talk about many things about the pandemic. Really, the pandemic has put the whole globe into a standstill position. The entire economy came into almost a stop. But point is that we learn and we come back, and we have come back, and the plant also has come back to normal operations. And we should see that the vibration of working or vibration of safety systems to go into our bloodstream or into our working stream, so that we will be again coming back onto the path of glory. That's what my point is. And on this day, I congratulate all the children, all the employees who have won prizes, and I congratulate all the school children, all the school teachers or principals, officers who are present here from the school. I congratulate them because they have they're making the children to such kind of system where the safety will go into their blood or into their life. So on this day, let us resolve to achieve a target which will be probably proud of. I will not say zero accident and zero something called zero, absolute zero, but I will say let us try to achieve something in the safety aspect which will be proud of in future. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
L. Tejas, K. Sampath Kumar, K. Sanjana, T. Purnima, K. Himani, K. Sai Sampath Kumar, C. H. Varshini, Tejas, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. Third prize goes to K. Sanjana, Class 8, Delhi Public School. In seniors category for Telugu language, first prize goes to T. Purnima, Class 10, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. Second prize goes to K. Himani, Class 10, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. Third prize goes to K. Sai Sampath Kumar, Class 10, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. In Hindi language, first prize goes to C. H. Varshini, Class 8, Chaitanya Public School. C. H. Varshini, Class 8, Chaitanya Public School. And second prize goes to Tejas, Class 9, DePaul School. Third prize goes to Priya Bisai, Class 9, DAV Public School. In juniors category for English language, first prize goes to M. Akshay Sai, Class 7, Delhi Public School. Second prize goes to Aditya, 7th class, Delhi Public School. Please give a big round of applause. Third prize goes to K. Ananya, 6th class, Delhi Public School. In Telugu language, first prize goes to K. Ramya, Class 7, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. Second prize goes to S.K. Aisha, Class 6, Vishaka Vimal Vidyalaya. In Hindi, first prize goes to Shantanam Bose, Class 7, DePaul School. Second prize goes to Ronak Siddiq, Class 7, DePaul School. Yes, you can have the photograph now. Students. Thank you. Sir, one more category of prizes are there. I'll read out the names. Soham Karmakar, Lakshmi Srija. Third prize goes to S. Jashwant, Class 10. One more third prize we have. And one more we have in the third prize. G. Roja, Class 10, DePaul School. In juniors category, first prize goes to Gauri P. Sudhakar, class 7, DePaul School. Second prize goes to S. Bhagyashree, class 7, DAV Public School. There are 4 third prize winners. First one, SK Ronak Siddiq, class 7, DePaul School. B. Nikki, class 7, Chaitanya Public School. Vaishali, class 7, Vishakha Vimala Vidyalaya. M. Gokul, UKG, Jyoti Bal Vihar, Sector 2. Please give a big round of applause for this little champion. Please give a big round of applause to the prize winners. I request all the students to assemble. Come. Shri P.R. Lakshmi Prasanna, D&D Department. Shri K. Divya, Master Technician, Telecom Department. Srimati K. Sogarani, wife of Shri K. Srinivasa Rao Garu, Senior Manager, Marketing Department. Shri M. Harika, daughter of MVN Prithvi Raj Garu, AGM Electrical, BF Department. Thank you, sir. Sir, just a minute. All of you, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll read out the names of the Shri N. Ishwar Rao, Skilled Worker, WRM Department. Third prize goes to Shri G. Appal Raju, Supervisor, WRM 2. And next, safety slogan. In Telugu, first prize goes to P. Venkatesh, Traffic Department. Second prize goes to N. Ishwar Rao, Skilled Worker, WRM 2 Department. In Hindi, first prize goes to M. Shankar Rao, PM Department. In Hindi, first prize goes to M. Shankar Rao, PM Department. Second prize goes to K. Rama Rao, BF Department. In English, first prize goes to T. Appa Rao, Supervisor, STD Department. Second prize goes to M. Vasu, Skilled Worker, SPM Department. మీరందరూ దయచేసి కొంచెం ముందుకు వస్తే ఒక ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ తీస్తారు. Round of applause for the prize winners. Thank you, sir. So second prize goes to N. Balaraj Garu, Master Technician, QATD. In executive category, first prize goes to K. Prarana Garu, Assistant Manager, CME. Second prize goes to GSS Sumant Garu, Manager, SMS2. In Hindi language, non-executive category, first prize goes to BP Mahapatra Garu, Master Technician, WR1. Second prize goes to Muhammad Ghalib Garu, Foreman, Electrical, LMM Department. For executive category, first prize goes to Sanket Kumar Garu, Manager, SMS2. Second prize goes to B. Appaji Kumar Garu, Assistant Manager WR1. For English language, non-executive category, first prize goes to Y. Jansi, Senior Technician, Instrumentation Department. Second prize goes to K.R. Verma Garu, Junior Trainee, Utilities Department. And in executive category, first prize goes to K. Sumanjali Garu, Manager, SMS2. Second prize goes to P. Sai Sri Garu, Assistant Manager, MM Department. So now for safety posters, non-executive category. Sir, one more set of. Second prize, third prize goes to M. Jagadishwari Garu, Junior Training, Telecom Department.
మొత్తం
In executive category, first prize goes to M. Rani Garu, Manager, Director Commercial, Secretariat Office. Second prize goes to K. Prarana Garu, Assistant Manager, CME Department. Third prize goes to A.S. Sindhura Garu, Assistant Manager, SMS2 Department. I request all the prize winners to come forward for the photograph. Thank you, sir. Second prize goes to SVS Prasad Garu, Senior Manager, QATD Department. And for non-executive category, first prize goes to Vishnu Prasad Mahapatra Garu, EMD Department. Third prize goes to Kotlur Vene Trainee, SPM Department. So this year safety department has started and second prize goes to KVSN Paraprasad Garu, Senior Manager, S.K. Srinivas Garu, DGM, PM Department. In non-executive category, first prize goes to AVV Satyanagesh, second prize goes to K. Lamkeshwar Rao Garu, General Foreman, PM Department. Third prize goes to Y. Venkateshwar Rao Garu, Senior Technician, EMD Department. I request all the prize winners to step forward. Round of applause for the prize winners of safety quiz competitions. Electrical LMM Department. In executive category, first prize goes to Naidu Sridhar Garu, Manager Electrical.
నాకు కొంచెం
CME
పక్కన
department.
పక్కన తీసుకో.
In executive category, second prize goes to B. Vamsi Krishna Garu, Deputy Manager, WMD Department. In Hindi language, non-executive category, first prize goes to Miss KNLV Krishnaveni Garu, Admin Assistant, Official Language Department. Second prize goes to M. Krishnaveni Garu, Junior Store Keeper, MM Store. In executive category, first prize goes to M. Rani Garu, Manager Corporate Office. Second prize goes to Rajkumar Kolya Garu, Manager STD Department. in English language for non-executive category. Second prize goes to Himanshu Kumar Shetty Garu, Senior Technician, SMS2 Department. In executive category, first prize goes to M. Rani Garu, Manager, Director, Commercial Secretariat. Second prize goes to G. Chandrasekhar Garu, SPM Department. I request all the prize winners Shekhar Naik Garu, Kotti Naidu Garu, P. Satyarao Garu.
రవి బాబు వస్తారు 2 నుంచి ఫుట్బాల్ పీట్లు తాగేస్తా బాబు
Sir, I request all the prize winners of your group.
అది కదా
Please step forward.
చూస్తాను కదా ఎంతవరకు ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు లాస్ట్ గ్రూప్లో పెట్టేశారు
Group from BF department has won the first prize in first aid competition. Sir, please కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ కి. సార్ దయచేసి ఒకసారి కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ కోసం. మేడం ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ కోసం. There is one more group who have Shivakaran garu. Audience, sir, next is CO and CCP department, please be ready. Please give a big round of applause for Blast Furnace Department Collective. Please give a big round of applause for CO and CCP Collective. Next RMHP Department Collective, and after that we have SMS Collective. RMHP Department has achieved 2 million safe man-hours. Please give a big round of applause.
లేకండి అయ్యా హలో
Sir, refreshments are arranged outside, sir. Please wait till the prize distribution is over.
సరిపోతుంది
Please give a big round of applause for RMHP Collective. Next, I request.
ఎస్ఎంఎస్
SMS 1 department has achieved 2 million safe man hours. So all of you please give a big round of applause.
హలో మధు వెళ్ళి కదా
Next, LMM department, SPM, Sita plant, SMS. I'd like to call on stage LMM department. Please give a big round of applause for SPM Collective. Next, I would like to call on stage Sinter. Please give a big round of applause for Sinterplant Collective. Next, I would like to call on stage SMS 2 Department Collective for receiving prize for 1 week. Please give a big round of applause for SMS 2 Collective. The next FMD and creativity departments, please be ready. In second group, RMHP, traffic and EMD department collectives. Please give a big round of applause, sir. Please give a big round of applause. The next traffic department and EMD department, please be ready. Okay, sir. Second prize goes to traffic department. Sir, EMD department, please be ready. I request LMM, WRM2 and utilities to please be ready. So please give a big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause. Sir, SMS 1, BF and Coco 1 department, please be ready. Third prize. Please give a big round of applause. The prize distribution is over. In Group 4 category, first prize goes to SMS 1 department.
తీసుకుని దానికి క్లియర్గా నమ్మకం తీసుకోలేదు
ETL, CME, ERS and DTA departments, please be ready. CME department, ERS and DTA, please be ready. CME department has 1 second. I request all the audience to please be seated.